Our smartphone is already outstanding at object recognition. So we thought, could the AI that's currently embedded in our phone pilot a car, recognize objects, instruct the car to avoid them, and could we do all of that in 5 weeks?
The first thing we had to do with the car was allow it to be robotically controlled. Then on top of that, we had to build a communication method that allows the phone to tell the car that is a specific object. So as an example, to understand the difference between a dog and a cat.
The next element that's more intelligent is then that information is used by the car to allow it to maneuver accordingly. The fact that this is built into the phone means that that recognition happens in a heartbeat.
The challenge we set ourselves with this was to really see what's possible. It's much more than driving a car. It's actually intelligent object recognition and using that intelligence to make decisions. If we can succeed in this challenge, what else is possible?